Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial I want to show you how you can create this mirror. So let's go. All we need for that is a material and a planar reflection. So we go right click, material, and call this mirror. Open this up. Then we hold 3 and left click. Connect this to a base color and we choose white. Like that. Metallic is 1. Specular is 1 and roughness is 0. And as you can see, it's already a mirror, but we need to change a few things. The blend mode will be translucent. We will change the lighting mode to surface forward and search for reflection and check both of these to true and hit apply. That's it for the material. We go back to our level. Let's place an plane right here and just apply the material. So looks very strange currently, but we need to change a few things. We go to edit, project settings and search for support global clip plane for planar reflection and check this to true. We need to restart. After the restart, we search for planar reflection and put it inside the world. Of course, we need to scale it. Make sure to put it in front of the mirror. Very important, not inside the mirror. It needs to be in front of the mirror. And also very important to set the Z scale to 1, like that. And that's basically it. Let's see if this works. We hit play. And there we have our mirror. Of course, you can also add this material to this truck here, for example, as a side mirror. So when we now drive the truck, we have a mirror where we can see the other cars. Great. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you have any questions, please let me know. And yeah, goodbye.